The 2026 Chevrolet Equinox, a name that has always stood for everyday dependability, has now transformed into something far beyond ordinary. When you first step up to the new Equinox, you immediately feel that this isn't just another SUV. It's a complete redesign built with purpose, precision, and attention to detail. Every curve, every surface, every accent line is sharpened with a sense of motion. The front fascia, with its bold new LED light signature, makes the Equinox look confident from every angle. But today, we're not here to talk about the body or the wash. We're here to explore what true detailing means, the craftsmanship and design elements that define the experience from the moment you open the door. As you step inside, the transformation is striking. The 2026 Equinox greets you with a cabin that feels premium and purposeful. The first thing your eyes land on is the new 11-inch digital driver display, seamlessly paired with a massive 11.3-inch infotainment screen. Every pixel looks crisp, every animation smooth, and the interface feels natural like a conversation, not a command. Chevrolet has paid incredible attention to the tactile experience. The leather wrapping around the steering wheel is tighter, smoother, and finished with micro-stitching so fine you barely feel the seams. Each button, each rotary dial, and each vent carries a consistent metallic accent tone. This is detailing at a microscopic level where technology meets texture. Move your focus to the center console, and you'll see how Chevrolet redesigned functionality. The gear selector has been replaced with a new electronic shifter, freeing up space for storage and wireless charging. The ambient lighting flows subtly around the console, giving the cabin a soft, floating glow that feels alive at night. The seats are crafted with precision-cut stitching, offering both comfort and aesthetics. In the RS trim, the black and red contrast stitching gives a sportier vibe, while the LT and Premier trims showcase refined tan and gray finishes that emphasize luxury. The bolstering is supportive yet soft, balancing comfort for long drives with the posture you expect from a premium SUV. Behind the driver, the cabin opens up to an impressive space, practical, quiet, and incredibly well-detailed. Chevrolet engineers worked on acoustic insulation to minimize wind and road noise. Even the door seals and insulation layers were redesigned for better sound isolation. When the doors close, you feel a reassuring thud, that subtle yet solid detail that tells you this machine was built with care. Now, let's talk about the technology detailing, the part that makes this Equinox truly feel from the future. The infotainment system now supports Google built-in, so you can access Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store without ever connecting your phone. The voice response is natural and quick. You say it, and the car responds instantly. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto remain available for full flexibility. Behind the scenes, the Equinox uses a suite of safety and driver assistance systems under the Chevrolet Safety Assist package. Automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and following distance indicator all tuned to work seamlessly. But what's remarkable is the calibration. The alerts are gentle, never intrusive. The Equinox doesn't yell at you, it assists you. That's the kind of refinement that defines great detailing in technology. Now look upward, the panoramic sunroof stretches across the cabin, flooding it with natural light. The framing around the glass has been thinned down, creating a cleaner look and an open feel. Even the visors and roof lining use soft-touch materials that resist fingerprints and maintain their tone under sunlight. In the back, the attention to detail continues. The second-row seats recline for comfort and fold flat for versatility. The stitching pattern carries through consistently from front to back, creating a sense of unity across the cabin. The trunk floor now features dual-level storage, so you can hide items below while keeping the surface area clean. Even the air vents for the rear passengers have been restyled, with adjustable flow and chrome finish bezels that catch light in subtle ways. Small touches, yes, but they add up to something greater, a sense of intentional design that feels complete. When you start the engine, you feel the difference. The new 1.5-liter turbocharged engine produces 175 horsepower and 203 lb-ft of torque, But more importantly, the throttle mapping is smoother, the transmission shifts cleaner, and cabin vibrations are reduced thanks to improved engine mounts. The focus isn't just on performance, it's on refinement. Chevrolet wanted every drive to feel calm, connected, and controlled. And that's what true detailing is about, not just visual perfection but sensory precision. From the way the steering wheel weight adjusts at different speeds to the way the seats hug your body during cornering, every element is harmonized. In an era where many SUVs chase extremes, the 2026 Equinox finds balance. It doesn't scream for attention. It earns it quietly, through thoughtful design, subtle luxury, and the kind of detailing that only becomes more impressive the longer you live with it. Before you leave, take a final look at the instrument cluster glowing softly in blue, the illuminated Equinox emblem on the dash, and the sculpted rear LED signature as you walk away. Every part of this car speaks the same language: crafted, not assembled. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox, where detailing meets intelligence and refinement becomes everyday luxury. And if you love exploring the hidden details that make tomorrow's cars truly extraordinary, don't forget to subscribe to Wheels of Tomorrow, your home for the most advanced car detailing and futuristic automotive experiences.